Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to El Sutra's kitchen. Today, guys, we're not just going to be in the kitchen, I'm also going to show you how I surprised my husband on his birthday. So, as it was a weekend, luckily for me, I went out and I got some flowers, I got some fruits, and I also got some items to make a gift basket. I have been planning this for a while, and I asked questions to some of my friends from my town area for some suggestion about what I should do different this birthday to make it special for him. Although most of the suggestions I got were to do something romantic, so I decided to take him out to a mall. I told him that we're going to do an activity, that we're just going to grab a cake from Cheese Factory, but my husband has no idea what's going to happen on his birthday. So we went to Cheese Factory and there was a long queue due to COVID-19, and I don't want to miss out on my reservation, and I don't want to spend too much time out. So I told him that let's just go get some slices of a cake and just head back to our destination. So as we were about to exit the mall, I remember that they had a Chick-fil-A, and because we had a very light lunch, so we decided to pick up some sandwiches, but unfortunately, again, we were not able to get it because there was such a long queue for Chick-fil-A in Yorkdale, Toronto. So we just had to head out and move on. So we picked up some slices of a cake in downtown, and my husband is just going to be surprised right now. Are you ready?
For what?
Adventure? Oh no, I think it's good. So we came to a hotel. Actually, it is more like a suite hotel. And I went to the front desk and I got the keys, and we head to the elevator. Until we got in, I told him that okay, this is going to be our suite for the night, just the two of us without the girls. So he had no idea that he's going to be off from his desk to spend his birthday just with his wife. So he actually was a little bit worried at some point about the girls, that I didn't say a proper goodbye to them. And I was like, you know what, it's okay, it's just going to be a night, we're going to be out of here by tomorrow. So I just want you to rest and take away all the pressure from work and everything, because he's been working from home since the beginning of this COVID. So here are the flowers, and that is the gift basket I made for him, all his favorite stuff. So I came in with some food items. I already marinated my steak. I brought in some basmati rice, and those are some vegetables, so some noodles, some eggs, and I brought in some potatoes as well. So I decided that we're just gonna cook here, since the suite came with a kitchen, and how romantic would it be without cooking, you know? So we cooked together and just had a really good lunch just by ourselves, without thinking about anything or stressing about anything. I just love this suite. It's just small for like just couples, and everything's perfect. I gave him the flowers. He loved flowers. Both of us love flowers. Like, I am such a huge fan of flowers. I love colors. And I love this combination of the colors. Oh my goodness. He was so excited about this. Got a gift basket. I got him some showers, some chocolates, some cards, some underwears, so many stuff, you know. And that is my steak. It's almost done. The first one is almost done, and my rice is boiling. I also boiled some potatoes, and I'm going to add some vegetables with it. So I just gotta put him in the kitchen, because he is the master of grill. Like, my husband can grill. If he grill you a steak, suya, oh my gosh, you remember that. So rice is ready, potatoes is ready. I put on some parsley and some chili flakes. I boiled it with salt, and now I added the oil from the meat that we just grilled on the pan. I added it into the potatoes, and I stirred everything. It was just a light lunch, but I love it. Like, the steak has been marinated for more than 2 days because I've been planning this for a while. And the food was so delicious, so simple but delicious.
Yum yum.
So I'm going to show you our view from the hotel. This is my big window from the back door. So these are the building of downtown. We can see right from here. Everything is just Toronto downtown. It's always luxurious and flashy. Like the offices, the apartments, the commercial buildings, everything is just beautiful. And look at that sunset. So we decided after eating to just go out like every other couple to just hunt for some stuff. And so we went out and just to buy some suya from a restaurant we found online. So we'll be heading out right now and just walk to our car park and get our car and then drive to the restaurant. It was such a lovely quiet night. The weather was just normal. It wasn't cold, it wasn't hot, because this was 24th of July. So the temperature was just perfect, and it couldn't be more perfect, because it's just me and my mister having a good time together. This is the night view of what we were seeing from the window from our hotel. So we came back and I decided to cook some noodles for dinner, and just very light dinner. We're going to be eating the noodles with the suya and some tea, and we also have the cakes that we bought from downtown cake shop. So I love the coconut flakes cake. The coffee cake was a bit bitter for me. For some reason, I didn't like it that much. But this is a pomegranate tea. And what a night without a warm tub. I love warm tubs. How do you like it? Do you always turn off the lights? And what do you add into your water? I wasn't able to add everything that I'm used to. Like, I didn't get all the lavender oils and stuff that I put in my water, but anyway, we're just gonna do what we got. Yep. Hello and good morning. So, as I'm happy to go back home and see our babies, I'm also going to be missing this place. It's so quiet, so romantic, so everything, So, as we woke up in the morning, we wanted to get some breakfast, but we woke up really kind of late from checkout, so we decided to go back and hunt for that Chick-fil-A that we missed yesterday, because there's another branch here in downtown Toronto. So we're just going to be heading out and check out and go back to that Chick-fil-A, not the one in Yorkdale but the one in downtown. And this is the day view of the city, that what we see in our view. And this is, I'm showing you one more time, this little tiny beautiful suite. As we packed everything back, we're gonna go back home.
Ina neman Caesar salad jiya. Ji wannan hoton. Wannan fara shi. Gashi nan gefen nan. Express hunting.
Yeah, we get to Chick-fil-A and we're going to get some sandwiches, some nuggets, and we're going to be heading out to the beach, because this is also part of the plan. This is the Woodbine Beach, Toronto. We've been going to different beaches in Toronto, and the Woodbine Beach, this is our first time being here. I wanted to check it out also because we want to bring the girls the next day to just, play with the water and take advantage of the summer before it ends. And so we walked here. It's so nice, walking barefooted on the beach. The sand was a bit warm, but it's not like too harsh on the skin or anything, so that feeling is something different, walking around the beach.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right. right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
So as we drove home, I called the girls and I told them that we're going to be home. So they were actually waiting for us at the door to welcome us. Hello! Assalamu alaikum! Eh?
Assalamu alaikum.
Kubuja kofa mana? Who missed us? Yay! Oh yeah, yeah! Tare so za ta fara. Hi! Ramla ina zuwa. Thank you. Hi, we miss you. Hey. Did you miss us? Yeah? Oh my baby.
Hey,
Ramla, where are you?
Ramla.
Har kin shige mota? Eh? Did you miss us?
Yeah.
I miss you. Mwah. Yeah? How are you? Hi, Marihimana. Ai, ce take wani kallon ka. Ke kwana ɗaya ne fa kawai biyan ba mu ma kwana mutum da ba mu yi 24 hours ba.
Tun da jiya here we left here 5 something. Gaba ɗaya ko 24 hours before ba.
Hi, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abby.